welcome back to Yoana. Stay inspired, everyone. Today I'm going to do a Snowfall oil pastel painting, guys. So it's going to be like a, I don't know, type of fantasy world. It's going to be amazing, guys. If you like it, please comment, guys. So let's get straight on to the video. Stay inspired, guys. It's going to be amazing. It's my drawing, guys. Have a look at my drawing. Thanks for watching this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give a big fat like on this video, guys, and turn on the bell so you get notification, guys. And drop a comment. Stay tuned to the next drawing, guys. Stay inspired, everyone.